We at the zoo.
We outside.
We outside. They want to know where we at. We outside at the zoo. We're about to go see some monkeys. Zania thinks there's giraffes here. I highly doubt it.
Why wouldn't there be?
They don't have giraffes here. Ma, do they have giraffes here? Maybe. Maybe we'll see a giraffe.
There's a lot of people here.
Last time we came, Julian was so happy and so excited.
He wasn't even talking.
He loved the monkeys. Loved the monkeys.
Did he really?
He did.
I don't remember.
He loved it. He was making the noises and stuff.
I don't remember that.
So I wonder what he's going to do this time. But Clara's here. Was she here last time? Or was she pregnant?
I don't know.
Anyway, it's Clara and Papa's birthday. And so Clara is going to be excited about the animals too.
Okay, you're talking funny.
Which one do you think that she'll like the most?
Flamingos.
It should be like this.
Because they're pink.
Huh?
Show them your fanny pack. Cannot be stopped, but they know nothing.
They don't know.
They don't know nothing. Now your shoes a little untied, so I can help you with that one.
Oh.
They know that. That's something they do know.
Right.
What's today?
It's somebody's birthday.
Is it?
Yeah.
Who?
It's
Somebody
a classic
did.
man. It's classic man.
That is not how that song
You can
goes.
be me when you look this clean.
Are those the pants you got here?
Yeah. You don't like them?
You can get hot. You gotta pick up that sweatshirt.
All right.
I'm hot.
It's great right about now.
It's a nice shirt.
I'm a classic man.
It is a nice shirt.
It's about $500.
No, he's not. It doesn't cost that much. Probably like 200.
His pants were $100. The shirt was started at $130.
These pants?
You got your headset.
Are 108.
How much your headset was?
40, 50.
So you saying money calling?
$200. How much was your glasses?
Money calling?
That was about 5 something. $600.
Oh, we up in the thousands now.
What
How
else
much
are
is
those?
Your mom bought the chills. I don't know how much you want.
What about that bag?
I saw how much it
Give us an
was.
estimate. 40.
I think it was.
Maybe
For the
It
400.
was on
shoes.
sale or something. I was there when she bought it.
It sounds like you're reaching $1,500.
Money. Everything I get is usually free.
It don't matter how you got it.
These shoes, I think, were like 30. 20 or 30, I think. Pants for free, but they're also $108 for the people that don't get it for free.
That's
For the people in
crazy.
the back.
For the people in the Zach. The sweater also, I got 60% off, but I think it was originally like 50 or 60. I don't know.
I'm probably wearing the least amount of money.
The ice, I got also on
Yeah, the
sale.
watch. You forgot about this.
Yeah, you can't forget the ice. All right, courage, always. Keep it on you. That was probably like $10 at Francesca's I got discount. Because everything I own is for all the places I work. Brianna got us the watch. That don't work, but it don't matter. It's only for looks.
It look good.
Bottle was free from Corksicle. Earrings, Windsor. If you know, you know.
I know.
My necklace is Altar State. Kind of keep Jesus close too.
Jesus.
Keep him around your neck. What they say, write it on your heart.
You got Jesus got you in a truck hold?
I wouldn't say it like that. The bag. Was it ticket? It was probably like $22.
He's crazy.
Calm down.
For real.
Windows white.
How you know that?
Look at them.
Yeah.
They stand on one leg.
Are they real?
They are real.
Oh.
That's crazy.
What happens if we pet them?
We can't pet them.
Why? No.
It's not that kind of place.
What is that one doing? They have small eyes. Those are very small. And flamingos do this. Oh, that smell. That's flamingo poop. They clean themselves with mud.
How do you know all this?
They suck up mud. They suck up water. Then they suck up. That's making water. Then they spray it on the back to wash them and to keep them from the sun burning the back. Those are emus.
They're not emus, are they?
Yeah. It's called an emu.
What is that?
An emu.
What is that?
It's an emu.
What is that?
Emu. It's an emu.
I don't know what that means.
Wait, how much do
It's
you
its
really
name.
have to
That's its name.
lie?
I can see.
It's an ostrich.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Hold on. Emu.
She forgot. She must be a little.
That's supposed to be an emu.
Amazing. You deep in it.
It's an emu.
Oh,
It's
okay.
an emu. What happens if you pet him?
He'll bite you.
You can't pet anything, Will.
And they did the same thing like that.
And just gazed up into the sun. There's more to see. You better stop. More to do.
Watch that.
Lion King? We should have watched Lion King before we came.
For real. They'll bring the whole zoo theme home. Bring it all together.
gonna get this Zora. She tries to pose.
It's cold, bro.
It's cold water.
Yeah.
Here.
You can't post this.
Why not?
Why?
What is this weird thing?
You see?
No. Those two in the middle.
What about them?
They're web.
I don't know what that means.
They stitched
Connected.
together.
Connected.
You know what I mean?
Mama's got them too.
Yours are a little bit more separate though.
I have all 5 of my toes.
Yeah, you can set them all apart.
Brianna.
I don't understand what we're saying. We are gonna go to the store so we can make. Dang, that thing felt great on my hand. This is disgusting.
Where we going?
We're gonna go to the store and get the rest of the ingredients for our shrimp bake.
Oh, we're not going now? Where we going? I thought he wanted to go out to dinner. Zoria, what's going on?
This thing's slippery, bro.
Let me see it.
We're going to go to the store and I'm gonna cook. Zvia's gonna help, right? We're doing it together?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm gonna cook this shrimp bake. It was debuted in the last vlog. If I can walk straight.
It was pretty.
So I'm gonna make that for the fam. And then hopefully we can find a movie with the animals because I'm really feeling Jurassic Park or something like that.
Ooh, we should watch
Something with monkeys.
Jumanji.
No,
That's
It doesn't
hilarious.
have a lot of animals in it.
Yes, it does.
I want like real life animals.
What?
I don't want anything animated.
I don't want to watch the Discovery Channel.
No. I mean, I guess Jurassic Park is animated. I mean, I want like humans in it, I guess you could say.
Jurassic Park has humans.
That's what I'm saying.
So you don't want to watch Lion King,
Yeah, I don't want to watch
and you
Lion
don't
King.
watch the Ice Age. All right, we're going to the car, going home, gonna make food, and is Brianna coming with us?
Yeah.
All right, so we're looking for potatoes. I think these are too big. You hear me? These are too big. Look at them. So we got the garlic bread, we got potatoes, onions, peppers, and then wow, I'm not even showing you. Hold on.
No.
We got the shrimp, the 2 garlic bread boxes. What am I talking about? We got 2 peppers, the
I
potatoes.
thought you were talking to Keyshawn.
No. And then we got 1 onion. The sausage is down there. I can put a clip on the screen of what we're trying to do because we went to my friend Christian's mother's birthday party and they made it and it was really good, so we're gonna remake it. And it was in the last vlog, I think Zoria told y'all in the last clip, right?
What?
About what it looks like or what we're making.
Yes. The shrimp bake from the party, from my friend's party. I'm gonna do it now because that's still everybody's idea.
It's actually, Zoria, honestly, it's gonna be a staple.
I know. I think
Like,
it's
I'm gonna
a
make
great
it-
party dish.
Well, I think it's good for like even something quick.
Sit down. But it's gonna be great.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Then I hit up the clearance section because that's my favorite place to go in Publix. And I got this lemon water. I think it'll be good. I think this will be good.
I like lemons.
I mean, I didn't look at the nutrition. It's 5 calories. It has no sugar. You got some potassium, some vitamin C. I think it'll be good. And then I got some laundry detergent because it was $4.99. It's really good. And then soap. I got all of them. I got all the lemon juices. I got all the soap because they're $1. And that's what I do. You cold?
You feel better.
Nope. What's wrong with you?
Look at them knees, boy.
My man's knees. My man's knees.
Don't make fun of
They said we look like we in a meeting.
Yeah. Just gonna get Zori
She's gonna be my companion since
She said her feet.
I'm lonely.
Yeah, let's look at your toes. I did.
Right now, we're unthawing the corn. And Zori's cutting up the potatoes. I'm about to start cutting the sausage. And then we got the things, you know, laid out.
I don't kick back from no walk either.
We're cooking the garlic bread now to go with it, but we're about to eat. Woo! Woohoo! Woohoo! Something's gonna be great.
Birthday, dear Clara. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, but after 5 because you're 5. There you go. Good job.
Wow. Okay. Now,
Blow out the 47, Mama.
wait, it's their time to blow out. Y'all do it together.
Now, the big 5-0.